Hello everyone, in this video we are just going to gain clear knowledge on setting up the Arduino IDE for developing the programs relevant for ESP32 or ESP8266 devices. Let's get started. So the Arduino IDE, that is the Arduino Integrated Development Environment, can be downloaded from this particular website, that is arduino.cc/en/software, and you can download this Arduino IDE latest version by clicking on this particular download button right over here. Just download and install this Arduino IDE if you have not done that. This is a straightforward method of installing the software onto your Windows device. Upon installing the Arduino IDE, when you open the Arduino IDE, it looks like this. And the first step that you want to do right over here is click on the Files tab and click on Preferences. And in this Preferences, in the additional boards manager URLs, you need to paste one URL, that is this one from Expressive GitHub. Copy this and paste it right over here. I have provided this particular URL in the description of this video and click on OK. This is the first step that you want to do. And this particular Arduino IDE is suitable for all kinds of Arduino. Just click on the Tools tab right over here and hover over this boards, and you can see Arduino, all the Arduino relevant boards right over here. And you will not see this ESP32 tab right over here unless you install the Expressive boards manager. You can see under this ESP32, you can see all the ESP32 relevant and Node MCU relevant boards right over here. So for getting this particular ESP32 section in the boards tab inside the tools tab of Arduino IDE, just click on the boards icon right over here in the left side of the Arduino IDE. This is the boards manager tab, and here search in like ESP32 and click on enter. You can see you will find this many sections under which you need to install this particular ESP32 by Expressive Systems. And in my IDE, you can clearly see the 3.3.8 version of the ESP32 boards manager is already installed, and that is why it is showing like remove button right over here. If it is not installed, it will be showing like this install button. Just click on the install button near this version number under the ESP32 by Expressive Systems boards manager, so that this particular board manager will be installed, and from then on you will be getting this particular ESP32 section under the boards tab of tools tab in the Arduino IDE. So that's it. So by installing this particular boards manager with the additional boards manager URL of Expressive GitHub URL, you will be able to develop programs for ESP32 or ESP8266 devices in this Arduino IDE. I hope you learned how you can set up the Arduino IDE for developing programs for Node MCU or ESP8266 or ESP32 devices in this particular video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.